Hi everyone, and welcome to another video from DisplayRepair.com. In this video we're going to show you how to fix small damages on your paint job, like small scratches or curb rashes. This is a simple and cheap method that you can surely do on your own, so stay tuned. DisplayRepair.com. For this repair you'll need a bottle of cleaning spray. I use spray for cleaning glass, some paper towel, a small brush like the one kids use for art, and a can of spray that has the same color as the car body. Now we're going to show you the basic principle of how to do this on this hubcap. As you can see, it has these bad curb rashes and we're going to try and fix them. As mentioned, the basic principle applies to other parts of the car. I'll show you later how I made the repairs on a door, on a rear view mirror, and so on. Of course, if you want to do the repair only on the hubcap, you can take off the hubcap, put it on a flat surface, and it will be much easier to do. If you want to see how to do this, I'll leave a link so you can watch a separate video on the hubcap topic. Now, what you essentially will do is use the small paintbrush and paint these parts separately here. Okay, before you start, you should clean all of the places that you're going to paint. If you don't do this, then the paint won't stick. So first take the glass cleaner and spray on those parts and use the paper towel and clean it. This also applies for other parts. If you're doing the repair on the car body, you can also use some dishwashing detergent and some water to clean the surface. Now after this, use the spray. Again, use the spray that has the same color as the car body or the surface that you're going to paint, and you can use either a small plastic glass. I like to use the top from the paint and shake the spray. Shake it for at least a minute so the paint is better. And after that, spray some into the cap. Okay. So as you can see, there's some inside the cap. After that, use the brush and try not to get around that much. So it's better to dab in than to paint. So go like this. Again, dab in rather than paint. Go on all of these like this. There's one more here. Here, wherever you find the spot, through it. This. Okay. So that's that. If you put on too much paint and it starts leaking, like this one here, take some paper tissue and clean it while it's wet. This. here if you have to. Use some paint and fix the places where you missed. And there you have it. As you can see, nothing spectacular, but the curb rashes are less visible. As I've mentioned, I've done the similar procedure on this door here. The door was opened and it accidentally hit a concrete pillar, so I put some paint there. I also did the same procedure on the rear view mirror, right here. So there you have it. As you've seen, nothing spectacular, but for a couple of euros or dollars, you can at least improve the situation. That's it for this time. I hope this video helps. I hope you'll be able to solve your problem. If you find the time, please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Visit us at our website despairrepair.com, where you can find more useful car and driving tips. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching.